And record. Blah, 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 blah. I'm making noise. Hello, everyone. This is a bit unusual. I have a question about Word that I cannot Google and find an answer to. Basically, you have comments in Word. I think this is 2007. You have these comments here, and if you click on the text, they don't highlight. But if you click on the comment, they do highlight, and that's very, very useful. But I cannot figure out how to make it so that clicking on the text, will highlight the comment over here in the markup area. So if you know how to do that, please let me know, because I'm really sick of having to click through here and be like, oh, I don't know where the thing is. Is it here? Is it there? Is it this one? Is it that one? And then find it like, okay, there it is. Like if I could control click, or if I could like alt click, alt shift click. Uh-oh. I don't know what's going on here. To highlight it over here. That would be great. That's all I need to know. This is how I ask a question to real people who might know the answer, instead of Googling it, because Google is useless sometimes. Bye.